Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update cron jobs for scheduled updates in make.com. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin updating cron jobs for scheduled updates in make.com, log into your make.com account. Navigate to the dashboard where your scenarios are displayed. Identify the scenario for which you wish to update the cron job. Click on the scenario to open the editing interface. Locate the scheduling settings on the right side of the screen. Click on the Schedule option to begin modifying the cron job. You will see a default setup that includes a specific time and frequency. Decide whether you want to adjust the existing schedule or set a new cron job. If adjusting, update the time and frequency as needed. For a new cron job, select the option to create a custom schedule. You can choose from daily, weekly, or monthly frequencies. Input the specific time in hours and minutes for the execution. If using a custom cron expression, ensure it's formatted correctly. Test your cron expression with the provided tool to verify its accuracy. Once satisfied, click the Save button to apply the changes to the schedule. It's crucial to monitor the upcoming scheduled runs after updating. Return to the dashboard to confirm the changes were successfully applied. Review your scenario periodically to ensure the updates are functioning as intended. By following these steps, you will efficiently update cron jobs for your scheduled updates in make.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.